This video explains about what is VVM. We all know that VVM is an examination that is nothing but Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. To know about this examination, we need to move to a browser. There we have to type www.vvm.org.in 2020. Then we will move to a site called Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. Here we can observe so many things: home, Shiksha Shilpi, about us, examination details, VVM brochure, endorsement circular, and so many things. Here we can observe what are the things related to VVM and how can we apply. And the organizers of this examination are Vigyan Prasar, Vigyan Bharati and NCERT. So coming to the syllabus, first attempt will be school level. Here we are going to write our examination through online mode. We all know this. And we have to attempt 100 questions. Each carries 1 mark. In that examination, 2 sections are available. And answers of section B will be checked only if a student secures more than 50% marks in section A. This the students has to remember. And section A contains Indian contributions to science, life story of Venkatesh Bapuji Ketkar and Venkatesh Bapuji Ketkar's work in the field of measurement of time. All this section A material is available in the VVM portal itself. And section B contains textbooks of NCERT curriculum and logical reasoning. So this is a open source reasoning. Then coming to the syllabus of this examination, from science and math textbooks of NCERT, we can get 50 questions and each carries 1 mark. And Indian contributions to science, from this material we can get 20% of questions, that is 20 marks. And Indian life history of Venkatesh Bapuji Ketkar and measurement of Venkatesh Bapuji contribution in the field of measurement of time. From this also we can get 20% questions, and logical reasoning contains 10% questions. Study material we can download from the VVM portal itself. We can observe the Indian contributions to science material. We can download from the site itself. Now it is available. So I am downloading the material related to Indian contributions to science. We can download it from the site and we can read it in the offline mode also. Here we are watching Indian contributions to science material. So many things are included in this material. If you read this material, you can attempt 20% of questions for this examination. We are observing so many scientists also here. So this material is available in all the languages, that is Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Malayalam, Punjabi, Odia. We can download it and we can read it in offline mode. So coming to the syllabus, we already know about the syllabus. And coming to the awards, so what will happen if we write this examination means, in level 1, that is the school level, we have to write this exam through online mode by using a cell phone or tablet or personal computer. So top 3 rankers per class will be the school winners. So top 3 rankers merit certificates will be provided. Only 10 students per class must attempt the examination from a school. So level 2 is the district level competition. Top 3 rankers per class will be the district winners, that is 18 students from each district. So they will be provided a merit certificate. And coming to the level 3, that is state level, top 20 rankers from each class from a state will qualify to participate in the state level camp, and top 3 rankers per class will be the state winners, that is 18 students per state will be selected to national level. Here we can get participation certificate and state camp memento, and also cash prizes for first, second and third rankers, that is 5,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees and 2,000 rupees. And then coming to the national level, top 2 winners at the state level from each state will qualify to participate in the national camp. There they can get a participation certificate and memento, and cash prizes for first, second and third rankers includes 25,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees and 10,000 rupees. And top 3 rankers per class will be the national winners, that is Himalayans, that is 18 students at national level. And also zonal level winners, they will announce zonal level winners also, top 3 rankers per class, and they will be provided with a cash prize for first, second and third rankers, that is 5,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees and 2,000 rupees. Then coming to the state level competition, the venue for this state level competition will be announced by the VVM team later, and no travel support for this purpose will be provided. Students will have to bear their travel expense to attend to the state level camp. There they will test the students about observation and analysis, situational problem solving ability, and series of other activities they will test among the students, and they will select as state level winners. Coming to the national level, here also no travel support for this purpose will be provided, but organizers will make boarding and lodging arrangements for the students. Here also they will test different competencies among the students, that is presentations, activities to test scientific temper, etc. So coming to the state coordinators, we can observe different state logos are available here. If we click on the logo, we can get the person's email ID who are the coordinators for this state, and also the email ID and also phone numbers. So coming to the structure of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, there here in this examination they can test about objective type questioning, question and answering at level 1, and level 2, level 3 contains comprehensive writings, presentation and group discussions, role plays, practical examinations and methods of science. So for the winners of VVM, the program also includes organizing visit to national science laboratories. So they will get the opportunities to visit a national science laboratory and interaction with the scientists. They are the organizing team. We can see the team of VVM here, and who are the mentors for this examination. We can see who are organizing this examination is also available in the VVM portal. So coming to the syllabus, we already saw the syllabus. Coming to the fee structure, each student has to pay 100 rupees up to 30th September, and after 30th September up to 15th October they will pay 120 rupees for this examination. So student awards also we already discussed at state level, national level, district level. So there is no exam center available here. It is the India's first open book examination. Students write the exam from their home. Coming to the registration process, so it opens on 1st August 2020 and closes on 30th September 2020, and VVM study material will be available from 20th August 2020. So mock test will be available from 1st November 2020 onwards. No hall ticket. The examination dates are 29th November and 30th November. Between 10 am to 8 pm they will provide 90 minutes of time. In that time we have to utilize our time and write the examination. They will allot a slot to us. We have to utilize that slot and write our examination. So result will be announced on the 15th December, and state level examination will be on 20th January, or they will announce later. Here we are observing VVM brochure. If we download the brochure of VVM, we can see all the things in a single material. So what is this exam? We can download it and we can see it in the offline mode also. So what is state level camp? What is national level camp? What are the competencies to be tested in this examination? And how can we register for this examination as an individual student and as a school group? So many things are available in the site itself. If we go through this site, we can observe all the things, and I think I gave all the knowledge related to VVM.